Welcome to part 1 of our data migration tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to import customer records into correct using tutorial examples, one clean and simple, and one with inconsistencies. Let's get started. Follow along by visiting our website's tutorial section for a link to the sample files used in this tutorial. When you open the Import Data view, it opens directly to the Customer section. First, we'll import a clean Excel file where each column maps one-to-one with correct fields. Select Open CSV XLS file and navigate to choose Customer XLSX, or simply drop the file here. Next, we match each column to a correct field. Here are the pairings for this file: customer name, company name, contact name, contact email, contact telephone phone, street address, title not required, city state, zip not used, city state, zip, country not applicable, address type US format. Select Create Records. The imported customer records now appear in the left panel. To inspect a record, select it and use the divider or the expand button to view details. If you're working on a real data file, not a sample, you may now select Save to write these records into correct. Quick reminder, do not save samples unless working on a backup. Now let's look at a more complex example using a tab delimited file. Select Open Tab Delimited File, then choose Customer IIF. You'll notice this file contains many columns and the rows aren't consistent. For example, AAA and BBB Company follow the same pattern, but CCC Company does not. How to handle inconsistencies? There are two options. 1. Fix the CCC row outside correct and re-import, or to remove that one row for now, import what's valid, save, refresh, and then process the remaining record. We'll use option 2. Right-click the CCC Company row and select Remove. Now we pair the columns that match AAA and BBB Company, customer name, contact name cont1, contact email, contact telephone phone 1, street BADDR2, title optional, city state, zip. Select this combined field, city, state, zip not used, country not applicable, address type US format or leave default. Remember, when city state zip is used, correct parses the single line into city, state, zip automatically. Next, select Create Records. Review the two generated records in the left panel. Now reload the import file by selecting Refresh File. Then, multi-select AAA and BBB Company and remove them from the list. Apply the pairings for CCC Company, select Create Records, review the result, and then select Save. And that completes importing customer records using both clean and inconsistent data. In the next video, we'll walk through importing your vendor records. Thanks for watching.